In a digital age where connections are made at the click of a button, harnessing the potential of social media has become paramount. Introducing Social Media Mastery. Unlock your online potential. A comprehensive guide to boosting your online presence and skyrocketing your success. Did you know that over 3 billion people around the world are active on social media platforms? That's a massive audience waiting to be tapped into. As a professional social media manager, I'm here to help you leverage this incredible opportunity. A strong online presence can do wonders for your personal brand or business. It builds credibility, increases visibility, and fosters meaningful connections with your target audience. Together, we'll explore the strategies that will make you stand out in the digital crowd. A strong online presence can do wonders for your personal brand or business. It builds credibility, increases visibility, and fosters meaningful connections with your target audience. Together, we'll explore the strategies that will make you stand out in the digital crowd. Crafting engaging content, implementing effective marketing campaigns, and utilizing analytics tools are just a few of the skills that a professional social media manager possesses. In this video, I'll guide you through the key steps to becoming a social media master. Don't just take my word for it. Hear from individuals and businesses who have transformed their online presence with the help of a professional social media manager. Their stories will inspire you and give you a glimpse of what's possible when you tap into the power of social media. Now, let's dive into the strategies that will take your social media presence to the next level. From content creation and curation to community management and influencer collaborations, I'll provide you with actionable tips and proven strategies that deliver real results. Investing in a professional social media manager is an investment in your success. Let me be your guide as we navigate the ever-evolving world of social media together. With my expertise and your passion, we'll create an online presence that leaves a lasting impact. The Fiverr community is filled with success stories. Meet individuals who have transformed their lives by harnessing the power of Fiverr. They've built thriving businesses, attracted loyal clients, and achieved financial freedom. Their stories will inspire you to take the leap into the world of online freelancing. Let's dive into the Fiverr platform and discover how you can create a captivating profile, optimize your gig listings, and attract clients who value your skills. I'll share tips and best practices to help you stand out from the competition and boost your chances of earning online. A standout portfolio is crucial to establishing credibility and winning clients on Fiverr. I'll guide you through the process of creating an impressive portfolio that showcases your skills and expertise, leaving potential clients eager to work with you. Communication is key to successful freelancing on Fiverr. I'll provide insights on how to effectively communicate with clients, understand their requirements, and deliver exceptional customer service. Happy clients lead to repeat business and positive reviews that boost your profile's visibility. Pricing your services appropriately is essential for attracting clients while ensuring your efforts are rewarded. We'll discuss strategies for setting competitive prices that reflect the value you offer. Plus, I'll share techniques to maximize your earnings through gig extras and upselling. Now is the time to take control of your earning potential. Join the thriving Fiverr community and unlock a world of opportunities. Start your journey to online success today by visiting Fiverr and creating your profile. Remember, your skills are in demand, and Fiverr is here to help you turn them into a profitable business. Don't let your online presence go unnoticed. Join the social media mastery revolution and unlock your true potential. Visit my Fiverr gig today to get started on your journey towards social media success.